the caramel Reuben crunch. Go get the part to the Widebody, but I got a mobile order.
Is that the money? My government.
Thanks for choosing Starbucks. This is John Muir. What can I get you today?
I got a mobile order.
Alright, what's the name?
Adeline.
I'm sorry?
Adeline.
Adeline? Alright, I'll go check on that.
But yeah, we is going to Atlanta today to pick up, basically, I don't know if it's the Widebody bumper or is it the bumper parts. Cause I got a Widebody bumper, but I just don't have like the inserts to the bumper. So I don't know which one I'm gonna get. I don't know which one I'm picking up. But that is what we're doing right now. And then we're gonna continue to build. I think we should be drilling holes today. Or we might put on the bumper today. But yeah, that is what we is doing right now. Right now we at Starbucks. Adeline.
Adeline? Alright, we're working on it.
I bet.
Y'all taking too goddamn long.
Facts. Tell her again. Tell him again.
They taking too goddamn long.
But we in the Rango today. Y'all comment down below if I should do a cat swap for the Rango. Cat swap. It's a Hemi right now. You hear me? We in the Hemi. We got the sunroof. It ain't talking about nothing. We don't care about that. That's about it. Oh, they going to my crib. Oh, the bomb squad going to my crib. What the hell done happened? Then I heard Murdercat start up. That bit on start. They done called the bomb squad. Yeah, hopefully they do hurry up and we can get back to the house so I can put the car back together. So yeah, there is actually a legal pit next week, I think, in Alabama or something like that. I'm gonna be doing like legal pit events, but I just gotta get in contact with like the owners and stuff. So make sure y'all stay tuned for those as well. I just gotta figure out like all the legal things and the payment and money and stuff like that. So once I do that, I'll let y'all know and stuff like that. Just follow me on Instagram, SRT Reek with 2 Q's, and I'll be able to, you can like have the information before YouTube, because yeah, I just use YouTube to post videos. Oh God, what are you listening to? Probably this. Alright, so the bumper, the person with the bumper takes too long, so I'm just finna go back to my crib and start the car, because the nigga take it too long. Like, I've been waiting for goddamn hour and a half for a bumper. So we're finna just go back to the spot, and I'm finna put the rest of the Widebody kit on. Not the bumper, of course, but the rest of the parts. So yeah, I just wanna let y'all know like that nigga was taking too goddamn long. Yeah. Alright, where the hell is... Alright, is this the piece? Is this it? Alright, so I gotta figure out how I'm gonna figure out where the hole is that I gotta drill in the car. So that means I should drill right here. Perfect. Okay. Now, alright, so I don't know if that's like the actual spot, but we can find out. I think it should be, I guess. Move! Oh my goodness, we are in the car. Well, that's that first hole. Now, if I did this and I did it 100% correct, and I don't have to, you're probably like, bro, that nigga is so, I mean, that dude is so stupid. Where is those parts at? I did it. Okay. If this was it, would this be a good fit? There's that right there, but I'm trying to figure out what this part is. All right, it's another screw. Hopefully this fits. I ain't using no type of tape. I'm risking it, man. I'm risking it, Jeff. Okay, so I got this basically Fender on, but the screws are too small, so I have to go back and get larger screws. Not larger screws, but they're too small. Like, it needs to be longer to go all the way through the car. But as you can tell, this piece is on. I just gotta put that side on, but I gotta take everything out of here. All this out of that, basically. I'm gonna give y'all a startup. And that literally might be my fastest video ever. Only because I ain't got no light for real. It's already getting dark. The bumper dude, I was supposed to get a bumper, but I was waiting for him for like 2 hours and he didn't even pull up. He probably just wanted to meet greet and like didn't even have a bumper. But yeah, so tomorrow's video I will be getting it done all the way. I probably won't have the front bumper on, but as far as the wide body of the rest of the car, it should be fixed. If you can see, it actually does look good. It is coming together pretty fast. But I do have to take everything out of this piece. I drilled the holes in the car. I might record doing the other side, I might not, but I'm gonna give y'all a startup and see we're gonna go from there. But let's see if we were a remote start. Hold on, let me get the key. Probably worked up. I don't know where the key at, but I'm finna just start it from the car. the fender so it can fit flush. But that's gonna be it for today's video. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Like I said, tomorrow's video will be better. It was due to the fact that I was getting a bumper and it just didn't it didn't work. So yeah, make sure y'all comment, make sure y'all subscribe. And yeah, we're on the road to 100K subscribers. Here we go. Money Cat, gonna be alive! Yeah. I really can't wait to get this bit on the road. Like a lot of people be like, pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up. Y'all want me to pull up looking like this? I mean, it is kind of tough. I ain't gonna cap. Oh, that mean it's time. I mean it's time to go. Stupid. But this bit is tough. This bit tough on me. This gonna be the hardest cat. I'm thinking about. Do I gotta change the route? I ain't got to change the route. Ain't nothing wrong with the route. I just got the route. On me, I just got this route. Y'all comment down below. Y'all think I should change the route? But let me show y'all the angle I'm looking at. Like, this bit is tough. Let me give y'all the whole, yeah. This bit is too hard. Like, should I really change the route? Like, y'all let me know. But a lot of people was commenting, like, not a lot of people, but one person commented and said, like, I don't know what I'm doing because them the wrong rims. Duh, nigga. Duh. What the hell? The videos is installing a Widebody kit. Why would the right rims be on at the moment? Like, come on now. Use y'all 2 cents before y'all before y'all comment. Like, what y'all talking about? I had to wait until because look, like, my ankle monitor just fell off. Oh, me it did. The bitch just fell off. So like, what do I do? The monitor fell off. So now I got to call these folks. Let me see what they say. Hold on. Let me see what they say. Let me call pre-char folks.
Thank you for calling A&A. If you're phoning to do a curfew check-in, you are welcome to leave a voicemail by pressing 1. Or if you want to speak to an agent, press 2 or stay on the line.
I feel free. I'm free. Stupid though. That bitch fell off though, chat. That bitch said you go to jail. If you take this, and it has like this little safety feature. So like, if this was to come off, he definitely said something.
Hi, this is A&A.
My ankle monitor like fell off, like the back of it. I mean, it looks like I can put it back on, but I just know that feature, like if it's been tampered with, it like probably notifies y'all. I really don't know, but I can put it back on, but it did come off.
So we'll have to have you go and meet a text. Sometimes it's something week to have it put back on the address. You know, like, can you receive text messages on the number?
Yes.
Okay. So I'm just going to text you a list of locations, dates, and times, and you can just reply and let me know which one will work the best, and I'll get you scheduled in.
Okay.
Alright, I'll set it up right now. Just text me back and let me know when it works best for you and the date and time along with it.
Okay, thank you. Okay, yeah, this thing is definitely broken. I mean, I can wear it like that if they want me to. Like this. If this video gets 1 million views, I'll do a garage burnout. I'll do a burnout in the garage. If it gets 1 million views. Hey, it's all up to y'all. Share the video, like the video. I can't lie.